I'm about to show you something that will completely change the way you look at gaming smartphones. While Apple wants over $1,000 for an iPhone that still overheats during long gaming sessions, and Samsung charges flagship prices for phones that throttle after minutes, there are 5 best budget gaming phones that deliver insane performance under $300. Some of these best budget gaming phones even outperform so-called gaming flagships because they focus on thermals, GPU stability, and real gameplay, not marketing hype. After testing multiple devices across PUBG, Genshin Impact, CODM, Warzone Mobile, and MLBB, these phones impressed me with consistent gameplay, smooth displays, and incredible value. If you're hunting for the best budget gaming phones that deliver maximum performance without spending crazy money, this is the video you've been waiting for. Before we start, check the links in the description for the latest deals on all these best budget gaming phones. Let's get into it. At number 5, Realme Narzo 70 Pro, best budget gaming phone under $200. At around $189 to $199, the Narzo 70 Pro provides outstanding value and easily earns a place among the best budget gaming phones. It features a 6.67 AMOLED 120Hz display, which offers smooth animations and a highly responsive touch experience. The Dimensity 5050 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, delivers reliable gaming performance for its price. The 5,000-mile battery and 67-watt charging keep you going without long downtime. The only drawbacks are the bloatware in Realme UI and some heating during heavy gameplay, but overall, this phone performs far above its price class. At number 4, Samsung Galaxy A25, best budget gaming phone with long-term updates. At $220, the Galaxy A25 stands out as one of the best budget gaming phones for long-term users. You get a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz screen with excellent colors and smooth response. The Exynos 1280 processor offers dependable performance for most gamers, especially those who want a blend of performance and reliability. Where it truly shines is software support. Samsung gives 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates, making it one of the most future-proof budget phones. The 5,000-mile battery ensures extended gaming sessions. And while charging is limited to 25 watts, it's still acceptable at this price. At number 3, Poco X6 Pro, the power monster, best budget gaming phone for raw performance. At just $249, the Poco X6 Pro dominates its category and is undeniably one of the best budget gaming phones for players who want extreme power. It packs the Dimensity 8300 Ultra, one of the fastest processors in any mid-range phone, along with UFS 4.0 storage and up to 12 GB of RAM. Apps load instantly, animations are fluid, and thermal management is strong thanks to its large vapor chamber. The 120Hz AMOLED display adds to the premium feel, and brightness levels are excellent for outdoor gaming. The only downside is heat during extended heavy use and some software quirks with HyperOS. But make no mistake, this phone delivers unmatched performance in its price bracket. At number 2, Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, best budget gaming phone for clean UI plus cool thermals. Priced at $279, the Edge 50 Fusion is one of the best budget gaming phones for users who prefer smooth thermals, excellent heat control, and a clean Android experience. It includes a 6.7-inch POLED 144Hz display, offering super smooth visuals. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 provides excellent performance for a wide range of games, and Moto's lightweight software helps keep the phone running cool and stable. Battery efficiency is strong thanks to a 5,000-mAh cell with 60 Hz fast charging. Cameras are average, but the gaming experience is consistent and enjoyable. At number 1, CMF Phone 2 Pro, the best budget gaming phone of 2025. At $279, the CMF Phone 2 Pro takes the crown as the best budget gaming phone of the entire year. It offers the Dimensity 7300, 8 GB of RAM, and expandable storage, combined with a stunning 6.77-inch AMOLED 120Hz display. But the real highlight is its insane 30,000 nits peak brightness, which makes outdoor gaming effortless, something even flagships struggle with. Its custom vapor chamber ensures stable thermals during long sessions. Cooling performance is excellent. The build quality feels premium, and everyday gaming is smooth and consistent. Downsides include the lack of a charger in the box, an IP54 rating, and the back panel not being fully modular. But even with those, this phone still outperforms nearly every competitor in its range. Bonus: OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, best battery life for gamers. The Nord CE3 Lite is a great bonus pick with excellent endurance thanks to its 5,000 mAh battery and 67-watt charging. It has a smooth display and reliable performance for casual to mid-level gamers. Not the strongest GPU, but perfect for long play sessions. Final summary. Here are your best budget gaming phones based on what you need. Best overall, CMF Phone 2 Pro. Best pure performance, Poco X6 Pro. Best long-term value, Samsung Galaxy A25. Best smooth thermals plus clean UI, Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. Best under $200, Realme Narzo 70 Pro. Best battery life, OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. Which one of these best budget gaming phones would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns.